Hello, I'm Madani Ariyam. This video is about the importance of money management in business. Learning to manage money is vital in all our lives. If you do not develop a habit, you are putting yourself in great danger. First, you must know your income correctly, not that every one of us gets a monthly salary. To know the exact amount we get at the end of each month. People get paid in different ways, monthly pay, weekly pay, daily, and some get paid when they accomplish a job in full. If that is the case, how can we keep our money safe? As far as money is concerned, you need to be careful when using it. If not, you can quickly get into serious debt problems. Let me show you a method to spend your money to avoid huge issues as it can soon get out of hand. So please make a list of all the expenses and income on a sheet of paper and start to take the money when you purchase something. Then make a note of it immediately in the list. Make this a daily habit for your living expenses. And at the end of the month, you can check yourself how much you have spent for a month. Please take a look at this image and understand how it works. I have been talking about money management, but that applies to business in the same way. But the difference is we need to prepare everything in advance. If you want to maintain your business properly, you need to prepare some financial documents in advance, even before starting the business. The documents that you need to have been the following: cash flow, budget, business plan. These three must be ready in advance, and the other financial documents you need to prepare at the end of every financial year are profit and loss account, balance sheet. I will briefly explain the first three documents and help you manage your money correctly. Cash flow. Cash flow is essential to check your daily cash flow in and out of your business. Also, you will be able to work out what is affordable to you and what is not reasonable to you. Cash flow is one of the critical elements in any business. If you do not prepare and monitor the cash flow daily, especially when you are a startup, you might run out of working capital. In that case, you might start to look out for additional finances. That will be entirely your fault. Therefore, prepare the cash flow and check it daily with your incomings and outgoings to keep your business safe. Budget. The budget construction depends on the assumptions for a startup and previous year figures for an ongoing business. There's a difference. We'll consider the deductions made in the industry and the marketability of the product and the cost of production included in the budget. Say, for example, you are getting ready to produce an outcome. Do your research and calculate the production cost, then the marketing and administration costs, such as running expenses. If you can do that, keep that as your expected expenses for your business. Then do your market research and ascertain how much of your product you can sell. And before that, fix the process of your development. Remember, when pricing checks, the competitors market for price and the demand for the product. You have got everything ready now. Set your budget for your business. Business plan. A business plan is a document that you prepare when you start a business. You write every idea of your business that comes into your mind. You write it down, all your thoughts about your business, to avoid forgetting the essentials in running your business. Therefore, you need to write a complete plan about your niche, location, and the amount of money you have saved to start your business. Once you have done that, get on to the methods you will use to operate the business. Those will be as follows. Who will manage your business? Will you need any help? How will you produce the product or services? Where will you get the supplies from you to sell? These are all information that I have given here in the short form, but ensure that you go into a business plan, document when you acquire all details. All these will come under the operational plan. Then decide about how you will market your product. Do your research for the distribution of your product. You would have researched the demand of your product, and now it's a matter of finding the ways of distributions, discovered your target audience and their territory. As we all know, marketing is a crucial part of our business. You might have an excellent product. If you do not bring it out to the world, it will be a waste. It usually happens in the case of startups. For an example, most of the writers fail because they do not do proper marketing. Then you must have a plan about monitoring the finances in your business. If there is no proper control over finances, you are putting yourself in severe trouble, and that might end up facing failure in your industry. I have explained budgeting, controlling cash flow, and now it comes to dialing bookkeeping for your business. If you do not have implement system to do your books, you will not know the business's financial health. Outsourcing. It is essential to outsource the tasks that entrepreneur cannot do without wasting too much time, also making avoidable mistakes. Hiring an in-house staff or a freelancer might not be ideal for your business at this stage. Therefore, outsourcing is a better option for you because you are a startup. Most entrepreneurs struggle to understand bookkeeping, and they need to spend more time to learn that. Instead of spending time to learn the best option is to outsource the work to maintain accuracy, meet deadlines, and prepare financial statements to get to know the business's financial health. I'm mentioning this because I'm an accountant as well. Then submit the document to the lender if you need financial help, and maintain the system regularly to prevent fraud and mistakes. Another point to keep in mind, when you select an outsourcing company, must do enough research or may get someone to referrals. Will be able to submit tax returns on time to prevent penalties. When you outsource the task that you cannot do, you will have more time in your hands to spend on another important task to grow the business. On the other hand, you have to implement good accounting system, good bookkeeping system to avoid fraud in your business. Invest in you. Outsourcing is needed at the start of the business, as you must do many new tasks and learn and get used to them. Therefore, it is well worth outsourcing complex tasks for you, but in the long run, everything might change in your business accordingly. You might learn all that is important for your business. If I say about accounting, it will be helpful if you learn the basics of accounting, because when you give the work to an outsider, when you outsource the work to do, you will know what to expect from them, because they too can make mistakes and you will not know about it. Therefore, becoming knowledgeable in your task help you and your business. My final words are money management in a business is vital. Otherwise, a company can go bankrupt and you will face severe financial problems. That performance in the finance industry increases using cash flow, budget, and the business plan in your business. Also, the proper accounting system. It is advisable to outsource the complex to make yourself available more to the company. When further implements in the accounting system that gives you accuracy, meet deadlines, prevents business fraud. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in another video. Thank you. Bye for now.